Check, check, check.
Another
1, 2.
And another one.
Check 3, 4.
Yeah, yes, it's deeper than a song.
It's
It's
what
deeper
it
than a
sound.
song.
Yeah. It's what it sound like. It's what it sound like. My hurt and pain. Yeah. Now first, before I start this verse, I send a shout out to the Most High, because He the one that's making it work. I'm more than grateful and so thankful. Even with the hard times, and even if my life get worse, cause it's a blessing just to be alive. And even after all the times that I tried and tried, and still feel like I was cursed, and I can't lie, I know I probably should've died about 1,000 times. And after seeing bullets fly, and I even premeditated and contemplated suicide, and probably should've even lost my mind. But with all this hurt and pain, it gets so hard, but I'll be the one to blame. And I can't lie, I don't understand, I can't comprehend how you can be so loving in love and still keep me in your flame. Rip. So Father God, and this be the words that I'm saying. So just in case I don't get to say it again, this be the words that I'm saying. So I take this paper again and express my feelings. Yeah. This what it sound like. Yeah, my hurt and pain. This what it sound like. Yeah, my hurt and pain. Yeah, my hurt. Just in case I don't get to say it again. This be the words that I'm saying. This be the sound of my hurt and pain. Yeah, this be the sound of my hurt and pain. This be the sound of my hurt and pain. So just in case I don't get to say it again, just be the words that I'm saying. So I take this paper again and express my feelings. Yeah.
Once upon a time in life, a young man got addicted to addiction, then fell into a trap. Y'all better listen. But he looked upon by others as some of the powerless and controlled by substances and captive to that system. But y'all fail to realize he's his mama's baby, born into this world, innocent world going crazy. Pure and powerful, embraced by love, cared for, known as precious and delicate. He's adored, admired by his mother and his daddy-o. One smile from him brightened up their day, made it joyful. He's a bundle of luminous capable of ruling the nation, with the potential belongs to the source of edification. And evolving to the threat of the system captivity, the most dangerous baby I ever saw publish liberty. Been evolving to the threat of that system captivity, the most dangerous baby I ever saw publish liberty.
Yeah, this be the sound of my hurt and pain. This be the sound of my hurt and pain. Just in case I don't get to say it again.